Another easy one that you can do for spring or for Easter, these are going to be a little cardboard kind of paper piece too. I did all these cutouts for free. You just go online, you Google bunny cutout, and you can just get a whole bunch of different prints. So I did them in at each one I got, I did it in a few different sizes. So for some future projects, so make sure you're following for that. But I took this piece of cardboard that I got from in a package that I had, and then I'm just going to trace out the bunny and then take off the top layer so that it has that corrugated cardboard look to it. I think those are super cute when you see those. Looks like that ridge metal when you get those, but it looks distressed. I'm gonna cover it with some white chalk paint, just one coat. You could leave it natural like that, those are cute too, but because we're going to be using a burlap backdrop, I didn't want the brown on the brown, so I painted it white. I wasn't worried about like having full coverage, I just wanted it to stand out. This is how we did the picture frame. So it's just an arch picture frame from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cover the back with some burlap fabric. So you're going to take that cardboard piece that's in the back, and then you can take some Mod Podge, or you can hot glue it down if you want, but I just took some Mod Podge and gave it a good coat of that, and then put down the burlap fabric. Once you get a good coat of the Mod Podge and you put down the fabric, make sure to put something heavy on top to just while it dries, but something that won't stick to it too at the same time. But I just put the glass back on top that was on the picture frame, but just something to keep it in place while it dries so everything sticks together. And then once it dries, you can go back in and you can cut off all of the excess that is around. But this is real easy and real simple. And this, I just feel like just the burlap along the black there, it just looks super cute by itself. So when you add something to it, it just adds like another little cute detail, but it just looks super cute by itself. I am going to take some Rub and Buff, and I'm going to put some gold Rub and Buff around just to bring out the details in the arch frame. But you don't even have to do that part, or you could do it with like some brown paint, or you could sand it. You could do a lot of different things, but this is real easy and real simple to do. And then once that's done, like I said, I just came in and glued down the little cardboard bunny that we made. And another one, you could just leave it just simple like that, and it's cute and simple, but I added a little bow to the bunny. You can do it like on the ears, make it like a girl bunny or what have you and stuff. You could do it whichever way you like. And I did flatten at the bottom of the bunny too, just so it's set there nice. And then I'm just gonna take this half bead. You don't have to do that part either, but I'm gonna just glue that to the middle there. You could find a lot of things to put in the middle too if you want it, but that is how it came out. I think this is so cute, and this could be used all spring long, really.